Welcome back, fellow coders. I'm starting a new series called Quick Wins with Python. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a progress bar on a command line utility. Let's run the demo so you can see how it looks. And then I explain how this works. On our first line, we do the import. Then we create a new instance of our bar. We are using bar next inside our for loop. And every time this method next is triggered, that counts as a 1 on our progress bar. After the for loop is finished, then you want to close or finish your bar. So you don't have to do this inside a for loop. If you have things, different methods, you can call it, you can call next as many times as you want. You just have to make sure that as many times you call next to be on your max value here. So a few things why you will want to have a progress bar on a command line utility is when you're doing things like writing to a file, reading from a file. You want to have your user have awareness of how long it's going to take for a task to finish. And I've used them all the time at work, and I thought it would be useful to show this. So I'm going to put the link on the description for this library. The library is hosted in GitHub and PyPy. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Until the next one.